Have you ever tried to rerun a SQL script and it fails because the temp table already exists? A simple way to make these scripts easier to rerun is to start with drop table if exists. If the temp table is there, SQL Server removes it first. If it is not there, the script simply continues. This is especially useful for temp table demos, QA work, and controlled staging scripts. Here is a common SQL development headache. Rerun a create table statement while the temp table still exists and the script fails. Before recreating the table, add drop table if exists. If the temp table exists, SQL Server removes it. If it does not exist, the script simply continues. Now I can run the same section again and again while testing, recording, or walking through a staging process. This is convenient, but it's still a drop command. It can remove permanent tables too, so use it intentionally and always verify the table name. The takeaway is simple. Drop table if exists gives you a clean starting point before creating a table, which makes temp table and demo scripts much easier to rerun. But remember, this command still drops the object. It can drop permanent tables too, not just temp tables. So use it intentionally and always verify the table name before execution.